Hi, this is Ashik and you're watching Techno World Rahmat. If you're talking about today's video, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of latest videos. Today we'll talk about the PowerPoint presentation. Let's get right into it. So what you have to do on the search menu here, you have to write the PPT PowerPoint presentation, press enter. You'll get directly to the PowerPoint presentation. Now we'll talk about the PowerPoint presentation from 0 to the end, and we'll talk about each and every part of the PowerPoint presentation. But in just one video, it would be a very long video. We'll split it into parts. Today we'll start the first part of the PowerPoint presentation. So once you will open the PowerPoint presentation, you will get the interface like this. You have the different themes available here. You can check whatever theme you want to use, you can use that theme. So today we will use this black one. What you have to do here, you have other options. You have the various templates available for various designs. Like if you want this design, you can select any kind of design from these templates. We'll take the blank one for our presentation today, and we'll delete this one. So what you have to do, if we go to the first part of the PowerPoint presentation, it's showing the info. First of all, let's talk about this info. Info is protect presentation. If you want to protect your presentation, you can protect it by giving it a password. So you will be the only one who will get access to that presentation. Then inspect presentation, if you want to check what kind of check for issues like inspect document, check accessibility, check compatibility with the other versions of the PowerPoint presentation. You know, there are various versions of the PowerPoint presentation as Microsoft is upgrading that software through many years. It has updated that. They have updated it to many versions. Manage versions. So recover unsaved presentations or delete all unsaved presentations. If there would be any unsaved presentations, you can delete that. Now here showing some information regarding what we're doing right now. Now if you want to get this new, that means for the new document, likewise you have in the Word, if you want to get the new document, you have to press that new. So here new, you can choose any of the themes from these presentations. Like if we take this blank presentation, we'll get to this. So that's all about new. Now if you want to open any kind of presentation which you have already made in the PowerPoint presentation, you can open it from this tab. You have to press open and it will show you, for example, I have these type of presentations available in the software right now, and I can open any of them right here. In open presentations, you can open the presentations from the cloud as well. If you have saved some presentations to the cloud, you can retrieve those presentations from there. For that, you should have a sign in. You should have signed into that cloud first, Microsoft Cloud, where you can save your presentations and you can retrieve those presentations from there as well. Now the computer, as you know, if you have the presentation available in your computer, you can access that as well. You have to browse the path where you have placed it, and you can get that presentation wherever it is available. Or you can add the other place if you want to add any specific type of folder. Here you can add it here by pressing that plus, and you can add your path or your folder where you want to save all your presentations. Now you're all aware about the save option. What you have to do, once you will create the PowerPoint presentation, you can save it with this tab, save. Now the save as button is very important, because if you want to save any kind of document, for example, we have not placed any kind of text right now in this new document. Suppose if we place some kind of objects in it, let me take this, we'll place some random projects, we'll place some random objects. So that, suppose this is our presentation right now, and I want to show you the save as button. When we press the save as button, it will show us where you want to save it. For example, if we take this path, that's the desktop, it will be saved on the desktop. But here is the important thing: you can choose any kind of format, whatever you want, for that presentation to be saved as. For example, if you want it as XPS document, you can do that. If you want to convert that into PDF, you can do that as well. You can convert it to 97 2003 presentation. That's the old version of this PowerPoint presentation. You can save it as JPEG format. You can save it as PNG format, which is usually used for the internet format. You can use it as TIFF image. So all options are available here. You can save. That's where this save as option is handy. So you can use that save as for converting that document, PowerPoint presentation, to any format within these formats that are available here on this tab. We're not doing right now here anything about that. And the print option is very simple. What you have to do, if you have the printer available, you can select that printer here, and after then you have to give it a command how many pages you want to print. You can print it from here. Just press that tab, print tab, you will be able to print it. Now the other part is the share part. If you want to share it and that presentation with the other people, you can send it as email. You can present it online. That's the option available here as well. You can publish your slides on the internet as well. So these are the things which you can do with the share option. Now export. We have talked about this export as well. Now you can export your presentation in the form of PDF or XPS document, or you can create a video as well. You can create handouts of all the presentations, or whatever you have formed in the presentation. You can usually this tool is for the teachers. If they have given presentation to the students, they can form handouts of that presentation and give it to the students. Change file type. If we want to change the file type, which I was showing you right now, you can change it here, like PNG format, JPEG format, or any other type. It will take you to that menu. If you want to export it in any other form, any other file type, you can do it here. Now if you want to close the close this PowerPoint presentation, you have to opt it here. You have to press close, and it will ask you whether you want to save it or not, because we have not saved our presentation yet. The other option available here is the account. If you have the Microsoft account available, you can keep all your documents in the cloud, we called it as. You can keep all your presentations in the cloud. In the options, we'll talk that separately, because otherwise this video would become so long. I hope this will help you, that what all these options are about. We will use them in our future presentation when we form a slide, and after then we'll use all those options available in the future presentations. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, press the bell icon, and please subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you.